Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. We're going to talk about crypto news and much, much more, and we got a feature that we're going to talk about. We're going to hop into all of it, and we're going to get you on the latest and greatest, and we're going to hit it, and we're going to get it. We're going to hop on over, pop into our channel, so that way we can drop our links, and we can get our things, and we can rock out with you guys all day, every day, pulling this video in, and we're going to run through the charts, and we're going to pull through mad love and respect out there for y'all chilling. Okay, and then I'm gonna feature Beam, the happy pill. I'm gonna show you all the different stuff about them. Okay, and we're gonna rock out mad love and respect. So I'm just showing you their chat is lit. You can go ahead and go, and I'm gonna drop the group link in here. Okay, so that way you have it. Alright, let me see. Keep the G's out. Okay. Alright, so that's how we got it. We get it, and we hit it. Okay. Happy Pill, their Twitter page. And Beam, their charts. Their website. Much, much more we're going to go over. And then we're going to talk about crypto. And then we're going to do our crypto rundown. We just got off another stream, and now we're going to rock out this stream with our featured mad love and respect to you guys that have been here with us. I love it as always. As always, mad love. Okay, guys. Crypto market cap. Let's start off. Today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is $796 billion, $27 billion in volume. That volume has been around 20 to 30 billion in the market, and you'll know why, because we talk about it, we rock about it. And starting in the new year, we'll be live Monday through Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the trading days. And you already know. Go back in the videos, watch it. We use the hybrid system. We work with the exchanges, and we know the algorithms and rock, and we know where to set our stop. You could join the Telegram page. We're building it out to a call channel, and we're going to have VIP sessions, screen shares, and much, much more. Teach you. Even if you only have $5, I'll teach you how to take 5, turn it into 20, 20 into 100, and much, much more. I want to give back what I've learned. Over these past 2 years, I've had the opportunity to be a community manager at many big, great projects, advisors, setting up different kind of farms, contracts, and much, much more, and learning the blockchain and rocking out. Mad love, shout out to Babyswap. They've been there through it the whole time, rocking. They're on their V2 farms right now, so get those fat juicies. We're going to talk about their new V2 in another video. Rock out, hit it, tag it if you love it, comment, and hit that. We were shilling and raiding, we popping this and dropping it. We're going to drop it onto our Twitter page. We're going to hit it and get it, and then we're going to run something lovely for you guys, okay? So if you hop on over to the Telegram chat, you get inside the Telegram chat, I'm going to work it out with the team, and we're going to rock it, and we're going to do some real fun things to generate organic growth, because in there, Beam is a chat, and we're going to talk about that. But right now, let's give you the rundown. Bitcoin at 16,588, 24 hours breaking even. 7 days, 1.34% down in that 7 day on our weekly. Ethereum at 1,198. That's that 1,200 mark. 24 hours, just 0.24. Okay, look at that, 4.1 billion and 15.7 billion volume on those. USDT, 20 billion in volume almost. Well, we'll say 19 because it's 19.2. Okay, 66 billion market cap. USDC coin, look, 44 billion, 1.96, almost 2 billion, and moves in there. BNB, 39 billion market cap. Okay, 245. So BNB moved to that 245 level, but the volume was 349 million. Okay, XRP at 34 cents, 17.2, and 691 million in volume. Okay, Ripple Network, and I've been seeing it, and nothing exactly to do with the XRP coin, but the Ripple network itself is going to be utilized for faster payments. Just think, when you use the bank, you got to wait 3 to 5 days, 7 to 10 days for transfers and bigger movements in the banks to show up. If they start utilizing a chain network and a blockchain network where it shows account numbers, they'll be able to process transactions much faster, which then will bring light to the blockchain. And then we're hoping for that Bitcoin retirement fund. Just think, if you had people in their portfolios adding in to Bitcoin through an ETF retirement fund over the years, it will just continuously grow like the S&P, and the performance with the volatility for the traders. But long term, as you know, we do both. We do scalp trade and we do long term. So long term, definitely bullish when you're DCAing. You look for the red on the days of the week, and that's when we hit you and I inform you, and we're going to rock out. Hop into the Telegram chat if you want to be part of this. Okay, Binance BUSD. Okay, rocking out, showing. Let's see. Okay, yeah, 16.7. Yeah, 16.7 billion market cap, 4.4 bill in volume. Okay, Dogecoin at 6 cents. Dogecoin did that pullback, 24-hour, 2.2. Okay, 9 billion in market cap, so it's down, pullback from that market cap, moving around. All right. And 435 million. Okay, Cardano in the number 9 spot at 24 cents, 24-hour up 1.6, 8.4 billion, 168 million in volume. Polygon Matic at that 10 spot now. Okay, and I think that they're gonna have a lot of things happening for Polygon Matic coming up in this year, so we're gonna follow that all the way through. Another thing I want to look at right here, Shiba down here, 4.4 billion, only 101 million. Okay, so I'm just seeing and waiting to see what these Ethereum whales are going to do when they strike. Okay, so Solana in 24 hours actually pulled back up 16%. So when we hit that bottom, we were talking about it in the groups, in the TG groups. Okay, look, 1 billion in volume on Solana, because they still do have a lot of different NFTs, and Avalanche is sitting here. Okay, and everything that happened in the market, these altcoins end up taking a hit. And when you saw those dips the other day, and when they had that pull down and the pullbacks, okay, looking on the blockchain, seeing the big whale wallets and the moves moving around through the mixers and into the crypto coins definitely is another thing coming. We could talk about that through TG chats, VIP chats, and much, much more. And moving on down through the blockchain. So we are on our top daddies here at the top, okay? Trending more, okay? Top trending exchanges and all. Bitcoin dominance 40.1, Ethereum dominance 18.4, and 18 GUI to send, okay, through Ethereum. Bitcoin chart, I'm just going to show you real quick. We're over here on the 1 hour chart, and we're looking right now, hitting that 50 EMA. We're kind of level with it. All right, we're 20 minutes into that new candle, so I'm going to see where it's going. This vector candle right here, just beware that we can return back to that vector candle, back to that M0 zone at 16.394, and we can kick on over. If we want to chat about that, talk about that, we can rock it out and get that going. So we're going to actually go ahead and pull back down into the lower time frame, okay? 30-minute, you can see now that we're hitting the yellow line in the RSI, but the RSI is up above a little bit, above that 50%. So I want to see if it bounces or if it's going to cross over into that next candle, which is in 10 minutes, okay? You can see that I'm using the hybrid system. It's called Trader's Reality, okay? And you see as these boxes, okay, red box means that's the New York session. Then you have the Sydney, Hong Kong, European sessions, all right? If you follow me and you rock out with our videos, okay, when we have more time to get in depth and detail, I'm going to be able to do and drop more how-to videos to show you how the hybrid system works. All right, it shows us everything we need to know, and I add the RSI to it. All right, okay, all the way down on the smaller time frames just to see where the volatility is at. You can see that, okay, so we had a pump, we had a return to that vector candle right here. So I would watch that, which is at the 50 EMA on the 5. So I would look for a tap and see what's happening on those candles. Okay, it's 1 minute into that candle, and it could be pumping up. The daily open is actually up here at 16,634. So looking for short scalp trades, as we talk about in our chats and stuff, you can go ahead and get my link, and you can follow onto Twitter. You could pop on over here, drop your tags, drop your tweets, what you need, what you want, and our videos that we just did are out there, okay? So you can hop on over there, smash that, hit that, shill that, rock that, and do what you got to do, because we are pumping and we are pushing it. Mad love and respect. Okay. the happy pill. Go ahead, and I just want to show you. Bada boom, hit it, beam. All right. I dropped the Telegram chat. You can go ahead and hop on over to the Telegram chat. We'll do a full review for them. I just wanted to do this shout out and just to show that it is definitely a bullish community with a lot of different people that are inside that community, talking, chilling, and sharing their experiences. Okay, mental health and much, much more. And the app. The app is going to be out of this world because it's going to be real case utility. Okay, and there's a lot of things in store for Beam. If you see and you look and you hop over to their website, we're going to show you their charts and stuff, how they're doing on longer time frames. Okay, and you can see that it's pulled back right here. Perfect time for entries right here at the support zones that they have. Beam USD. Okay, right now it's on a bit of a pullback, overall in the market, and you can see the volume that it's been pulling in 24 hours, 2.7k, 11.11k, and this is total liquidity. All right, and it's sitting there and it's pulled and liquidity sitting on there. They're building up their DEX score to be more secure and safe in the mean term in the market. You can hop on over to their website. Okay, I'll go ahead and I will drop that website inside the chat. All right, and that'll be there for you guys to rock out with. Okay, and the website, really nice website, really well done. Okay, and it has definitely different information. You could go ahead and read the articles about us, the Beam token, and Beam members only. Support online. Okay, look at this, the happy pill. The way to invest in crypto that puts mental health first to support an active and positive community and resourceful mobile application. The happy pill token Beam. Investors can have a peace of mind knowing that their mental health is the priority. A portion of the taxes are generated by the token will go towards developing a mobile application that provides excellent mental health resources for investors. The application will offer a range of informational design to crypto investors, handle the emotional roller coaster that comes with investing in the volatile crypto market. You can hit the contract and you can go ahead and pop on over and check it out. You could read more into it and you could review and hop onto their white paper so that way you can get more information. We will get with the team and we'll do a more depth in detail look and dive into Beam. I just wanted to share it because I was welcomed with open arms right into the community, chilling with them, and just rocking out. Really some good people there, as you see. Mad love and respect. Okay, mad love in the chat, mad love. Live shout out now. Okay, just did a short review of Beam. Okay, so yeah, hop on over there. They definitely have all the stuff that you would want to be able to see inside the chat, and you can see earlier today from how we did our chats and how we rocked out. Okay, so you can go ahead and hit it. We're gonna drop a tweet out for them, and then also you can see here Beam follow and hit their tweets. Let's go ahead and hop over here. The boardroom buy contest, they have a boardroom. If you buy 0.2 ETH of Beam, you could be in the boardroom, so that way you get your information first. Okay, so that is how we're going through that. Let's go ahead and just go ahead and show long term, okay, over daily charts and see how we are from when they launched. So it's pulling back to that point right here, which is still actually a good level. So that's a good entry point for a people like to buy the hype, sell the news. This definitely has utility, and that's why I'm shouting them out. They show me love and respect, and I'll shout it out until I see otherwise. You know what I'm saying? So I go down to the 4-hour chart, and I can see that it was building higher lows on the 4-hour chart, which is definitely bullish overall for us. Okay, and that's how we're doing it. You hit their website up and you can contact them. You can rock out. You can hit it. You can go through the mobile app. You can read through Medium. You can hit Dex Tools. Make sure you hit up the Twitter, and that's how you find out all your information. Okay, and you can rock out inside the chat. All right, so that's what we got going on here with Beam. Don't forget to also hop on over, okay, and to our chat, because starting through the new year, we're going to be rocking out, and we're going to be doing a lot more live stream, teaching you guys, showing you guys the know-how and the go-how. Believe in the karma, pass it, pay it forward, rock it, and get it, okay? Cryptocurrency, overall, the cryptocurrency market has seen a lot of different fluctuations, okay? You know that I love looking at my 1 hour charts, so I will go with my 1 hour charts. And you can see that I was talking about this, and then the New York close, okay, is definitely a spot to watch out for inside the chat of the charts, okay? And you can see that we have this big vector candle, okay? That vector candles, as you know, are when mass liquidity comes in and does the buys, and then they can you know, pull back in those zones, so we can recover back to the vector zone. So we'll jump into that real quick and talk about that. But you know that I like going over my chat charts live like this, you know, over on there. And okay, let me go ahead and go over to the 4 hour chart, and let me just condense this and we'll talk about that. You can see that it wicked out below the M0 zone. Okay, I'm gonna go first and hand it to you, okay? M0 zone, okay, and it pivoted out of that point. All right, and you can see that the liquidity has base. Sorry, I'm just having a little problem with my connection here. Alright, yeah, so in the 4 hour chart, I was looking for the wick outs and where we were standing as far as the patterns in the chart. And I could see that overall on one of the frames, it had a M pattern, which I was looking at, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, you know, what's going to happen now with that M pattern in the chart. So we're going to go through that real quick, and we're going to look and see what's happening with that M pattern and why that is something that we want to pay attention to. And in the meanwhile, make sure you guys get yourself on over to the Beam, and we're going to hit the chats, and we're going to get right with you guys, and we're going to make sure that we spread it like you get it, okay? So that way we can all get the information that we need to be in the know-how, okay? So let's go ahead and get that. We're going to hop into the other chart. Okay, 4 hour chart. There we go. So we're back. We're straight. Okay, so we have this wick right here past the M0 pivot zone. So anytime I see anything that wicks out past the M0 pivot zone, when I was watching, we were below it on the 1 hour. Let me go ahead and go back to the 1 hour and actually show you. Okay, we got out below that. And when I saw it on a smaller time frame, okay, a 30-minute time frame, right here, that was a opportunity to open up a long trade. All right, so you know, as you see, add a comparison. Okay, indicators, yeah, metrics. All right, and let me just go ahead and show you here. Okay, let me go ahead, EMA ribbon, and this is the EMA ribbon on the 30-minute. Okay, and I was just watching and waiting for that to flip, if it would flip, or if it was gonna flip, to flip bullish, and we were sitting and waiting on our chart movements. So let's take a look at that, and then we'll be able to see what's happening from then on. Okay, this is the 30-minute chart. Okay, back to the 1 hour just to see the EMA ribbon. Okay, so the 5 EMAs flipping back into it, so I don't want to see a rejection deeper into the EMA ribbons, because it's hitting a really heavy support level, and we have the big swing wick on the top over there. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull that back out, and we are in our term. Let's go ahead and hop onto the daily, and that's the daily for Bitcoin. As you can see, long wick down there on that daily. Okay, now it's at 16,581. That wick right there was at 16,330 on that daily. Okay, a little bit higher than the 16,256. All right, so you can definitely you see and utilize that. I can actually show you. Oh, okay, I don't have bookmap web. Okay, so. Bookmap web. Let's go into that real quick, and we're just gonna see just the utilization tool real quick, just to show you what's happening and where the liquidity is at. So this is Bitcoin on the 15-minute intervals. All right, and then yep, we have 570, 72, 55. Let me pull this in. All right, so right here we have a bunch of Bitcoin sitting, okay, and then we have this a bunch of Bitcoin orders up here at 16,650, and then 16,535, and then it starts to get heavy when we go down in there. So there's not really actually any heavy liquidity flowing in right now. New York sessions closed, going into Sydney sessions and pulling out, because we're going into the new year. So we're going to see where we end that year candlestick. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pull out of that. More book mapping when we can pull it up, and we can do a rock out chart with that. Next, we're just going to show you real quick on the 12-month chart for Bitcoin. Okay, you can see. Let me go. Okay, so 3 green candles, red. 3 green candles, red. So this is a bearish engulfing, and usually that's a trend reversal into the next year. So let's see what happens. How to show you guys that, so you guys can actually rock out and see what's happening with that in the crypto markets. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's just show you Ethereum real quick. Ethereum on the daily, below the 50 EMA. Okay, it's riding. You want to see the moving averages moving up. Okay, so, and then we have that last week low. BNB at 245, so it's riding even, but you can see some sideways trading pretty far away from the 50 EMA on the daily, so I want to see it move back up to that. XRP at 34, so it pulled back, it pulled actually up, and then it pulled back and returned all that vector candle. All right, so I definitely saw that happen, and then the RSI moving on the daily, so I want to see what happens in the next days. Doge actually had that pullback. We're well below the 50 EMA on the daily, okay, and we're down here, and RSI is hitting close towards bottom, and we're wicking. All right, shout out Babyswap, okay, to their bullish stuff coming out. Don't forget to stop by J Strategies, hit that profile, the latest and greatest crypto news, and much, much more. Mad love and respect to you guys all day, every day. Okay, shout out to Beam, shout out to the teams, shout out to everybody that stopped by today. As you know, we show you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. You got J Strategies, the latest and greatest crypto